Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips number 9, how to parallel rotate. So as example, I will create a rectangle at these points, and the second I will draw lines with angles. And if you want to rotate these rectangles by using reference angles, these lines, we can use the parallel rotate. You can type a rotate, press enter, select the objects, enter again, and for base point I will click in here. Now you can press shift button, hold, right click, and then choose the parallel snap. The next you can move the cursor into lines until you see the parallel icons like this, and then you can move again into here, so to be show the parallel into the selected line. If you done, you can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips number 9, how to parallel rotate. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.